Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today is another of our Wing Chun fight training videos. We're going to combine some grappling using the white crane hip bump takedown. But before we do that, I need you over the boxes, click a like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
The white crane hip bump. So we're going to set up, and you guys just take in the line, give him some, you can throw anything you want on his head. I'm just making it simple. So you got your jab, your cross, your jab, your cross, right? Use that to get his distraction up. Now, if you tag him with those, then so be it. All right, so again, 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle in, come in for that inside leg sweep. Put something on it if you're in the ring or you're playing with this, right? So again, work him right through, 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle in. And as he starts to put that down, right? As he puts it down, remember, don't drop your hands, so one more. Coming in, 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle. Here's my frame. Stepping behind, go for it. Take your throw. When you bump him with the hip, just come here. So once I've taken my frame, this hip is where my setup comes in. So the hip is coming this way. That's the bump. You guys go with that? Mm-hmm. So don't just step here. In here, there's my bump. And then you can add this in. So once I've framed up, and I step in, there's my bump. You good with that? So one more time. Trying to give him something to think about, give him something in. Pop my frame, step. See what this leg is? It's almost outside that leg. The bump, and just push with it, and you can take them down. You guys good with that? Sure. Nice. Thanks.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.